In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner to manage all of those options. When you finished, click at the top right corner and the bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!